Hello friends, welcome back to Manu Cooks. Today let's learn easy veg manchow soup recipe with deep fried noodles and freshly prepared vegetable stock. Restaurant style manchow soup is very popular Indo-Chinese soup recipe and it's great to have this in winter season. Let's make this vegetable manchow soup right away. So here I have boiled some noodles with salt and drained them and added few teaspoon cooking oil and coated it very well and kept aside. Now to this noodles, let's add 2 tablespoon corn flour or cornstarch and coat it very well. This is roughly 1 cup of cooked noodles, so let's keep the coated noodles aside right now. Now let's prepare fresh vegetable stock for our manchow soup. Take a saucepan and add 5 cups of water. This is roughly little more than 1 liter. To this we will add few roughly chopped vegetables. First I am adding 1 medium sized onion followed by handful of coriander stem. Please do not skip coriander stem as it gives great flavor to this. Next I am adding some roughly chopped cabbage and I have added half a carrot here. If you have celery you can add some to this. This is fresh flavorful vegetable stock we are preparing for our veg manchow soup. So please do try this once. Now let's cover this and cook for 20 minutes on medium flame. Now while this is cooking, let's deep fry our noodles needed for this soup. Let's heat oil to deep fry and once oil is hot, add noodles gradually and deep fry them on high heat until crisp and golden. Once fried to crisp and golden brown, take them out in a tissue paper and reserve them. Hot and sour soup and veg manchow soup are almost close, but they slightly differ in flavor, spiciness and needless to say the crispy noodles part which makes veg manchow soup so much more lovable. Let's keep this aside and let's check back on our vegetable stock. It's been boiling for 20 minutes now and now let's open the lid and you can see all the veggies have cooked very well and the water is slightly yellowish now. Let's now drain the stock and squeeze the extra water out from the vegetables. As you can see now our stock is ready. Keep this aside. This is very easy and quick soup recipe but the cooking technique does matter a lot to make it same tasting like restaurant jaisa veg manchow soup. Take a wok or saucepan like me and let's add 1 tablespoon oil to that and heat it on medium to medium high heat. Once oil is hot, let's add chopped garlic followed by chopped ginger. Make sure to chop ginger and garlic as fine as you can. Now to this let's add 2 green chili chopped finely, saute everything for 30 seconds and remember not to brown or burn them. After 30 seconds add quarter cup finely chopped French beans, saute this for quick 30 seconds. Let's add finely chopped carrot which is again quarter cup packed. Veggies have to be chopped very finely for this recipe so that they cook real fast and they are crunchy too. So it's 1 minute right now. Let's add finely chopped mushroom to this which is around half cup. If you don't eat mushroom you can skip that as well. But I suggest adding that, after which I am adding finely chopped cabbage to this which is around half cup. Saute for few seconds and let's add spring onion white to this. If you do not have spring onion you can add some finely chopped regular onion too in this stage. Now let's saute this for another 30 seconds and friends, if you haven't watched my most requested hot and sour soup recipe, make sure to watch that right after you watch this video. You can get the link from the description box down below and also I'll give this in the iCard on top right corner of this video. Now after few seconds let's add the vegetable stock. So here we are cooking each vegetable for few seconds only, so it is real quick recipe, so make sure to keep all the ingredients chopped and handy before you begin. Once we get a boil, let's add vinegar followed by tomato ketchup and next add chili sauce. After adding chili sauce, let's add soya sauce. I am adding dark soya sauce here. Next let's add sugar and salt required for the soup recipe. After which let's add black pepper powder and white pepper powder and mix everything well and let it get a quick boil. So here I have taken 3 tablespoon cornstarch or corn flour and added 3/4 cup water to that and made a lump free mixture. So now let's add this corn slurry little by little while mixing it. After adding corn slurry, once the mixture boils it will get thickened. So boil it for few minutes until desired thickness. And also please do check for the seasoning and spiciness as per your taste. Generally this veg manchow soup is spicy, thick and served with crunchy noodles dunked in that right before serving. So now let's turn off the flame and add lavish sprinkle of spring onion greens to this and our very yummy and delicious winter special vegetable manchow soup is ready to be served. Please do try this recipe right away and I hope you liked watching this recipe. If yes, please give a thumbs up and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to Manu Cooks and click on the bell icon right now. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video. Until then, try this recipe and enjoy with family.